So here's the 3 pieces you need. To assemble the grappling hook, you're just going to slide the 2 pieces together, like this. And for cordage, I'm using some of this cheap green twine. There's about 15 feet of it. So this was a fun project for me for a couple days, but since it doesn't have any real utility, since it can't hold any real weight, probably not going to use it that much. But still, I think it's pretty cool. I'll probably keep it in my wall for a couple days, but it probably won't be used. So that's that. So now I'll show you footage of me trying to actually use this thing. So that's the end of this video, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out my other videos on this channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.